Good morning, it's Monday. We are just now leaving the house at around 10 and I'm gonna have a solo day today. We're just eating downstairs at the food hall and got some soup with some karaage and onigiri with salmon and ikura. So this morning I'm so excited because I'm gonna get a facial and I've never gotten one in Japan before. So I'm going to Koh Gen Do, which is known for their makeup line, but I saw that they also offer facials as well. They usually offer them out of their Zabujuban location, but I'm going to Ginza, so it's an alternate newer location that they have. And the boys are having a boys' day. Boys' day. What I got. Perfect for a cold and rainy and windy day. So let's try this. Looks like there's potatoes, carrots, and pork. This is really good. Super light. Sweet from the carrots, but not too sweet. Wow, yummy. I'm gonna try the onigiri. Oh, look, there's so much. You can like see the salmon on the side. Yum. I'm gonna have to get this again. The food hall has different types of food. Yesterday we came here for tacos, and tacos are fair. This is Japan, so, but this is really good. And they have this ready to go, both of these ready to go, like to grab and go. I don't know if you can tell, it's raining outside, like storming. Karaage is cold. Flavor is good though. But this soup hits. It's our last full day too in this hotel, so we're really sad. Tomorrow we have to check out and then we're going to Mimaru, which is when we're going to meet up with everyone. So gonna enjoy our last day as much as we can. The boys are gonna go shop. Maybe I'll insert some clips. It's just so good. I also got a coffee. Delicious. An espresso tonic. It's like a espresso Sprite, basically.
Delicious.
Obsessed. Oh, maybe I need to go inside.
Got some.
Vegan? Oh, vegan. Vegan? Me? Vegan?
Just got back to the room. Look at my hair. Oh, it was such a whirlwind out there just because it was raining, and so everything was just happening so fast. I was late to my first appointment, my facial, and then I was like rushing to my next appointment because the traffic was so bad. So I didn't even like ride the train because I was just rushing from point A to point B, but I finally have a moment to debrief and think about what happened today. This was supposed to be my solo day, so it definitely was so much fun. I think the day went by really fast, just going from appointment to appointment. But overall, I had such an amazing time at both spots. You know, I went to this facial and it was in Ginza. And then I was like 8 minutes late to my appointment, but they were so sweet. Everyone was so nice. I went to Koh Gen Do, which is a famous Japanese makeup brand, and they have facials as well, and it was probably the best facial I've ever had, albeit but I've never had many facials before, but they did like a whole massage on my shoulders, on my back, and my head. It was like really my first time ever getting a massage, so it was foreign to me, but I still had a good time. It still was super relaxing and whatnot. And they even do, you know, you can request to have your makeup done as well. I didn't want to film just because I didn't want anyone to feel uncomfortable, and I was already trying to like get through my appointment as fast as I could just so I had time to go to my next one. So I didn't get a chance to film, but everyone was so sweet. I think it is helpful to know a little Japanese or at least have a translator app handy. Their pamphlets and materials are in English, but some staff don't speak English. So just keep in mind when you are booking this, you won't have too much difficulty. Just have your phone ready. And they also have iPads too. So just keep that in mind. And then after, I went to Nakameguro, took a taxi to Nakameguro for my hair appointment with Yutsuki. She was a hairstylist that did my hair at Osort last year. She's no longer at Osort, and now she's at this hair salon in Nakameguro, and it's way more chill, way more calm vibes, I will say. Osort is very busy, very hectic, but my time with Yutsuki was really nice. We actually got to chat and catch up. Surprised that she remembered me, but we had a really great conversation, and she speaks English, which is really nice, and I didn't feel like I had to rush. She knew exactly what I wanted, and it's very close to what I kind of wanted last time, so like layers, but I did go shorter. I also dyed my hair black just to make it easy for me to take care of. She said that it's a lot easier. I can use whatever shampoo, so I am looking for something a bit more low maintenance as we get into summer, and so that's why I did this. And she was saying that there are not many Japanese hairstylists that know how to do a blowout or, you know how to blow dry hair like this. And so it was nice that she like took the time to do it on me, and I didn't know that it was such an uncommon, technique, but she was sharing that not many know, and you kind of have to go and find someone who has trained to do hair like this, because I know that this is a popular style in America and just in general online. So just keep in mind, like if you want to get this hairstyle, just to check with your hairstylist that you're going to if they can do such styles. Good to send them inspo pics, but otherwise I had such a great time. I even did a hair treatment. I put my bag away, so I didn't have access to this camera, but I will put together a video, so if you want to check her out, please go to the description below and check out my video on my page so that you can book your next appointment with her. And she is looking for new clients. So if anyone is living in Japan and looking for a new hairstylist or a hairstylist, I highly recommend looking her up. And it was so much fun chatting. It even ended up snowing when we were there, and it was such a vibe, just chilling and like hanging out and having it not be so crazy, especially being in Tokyo. So I am back now. It is about 5:36 and not sure what we're gonna do yet. I know the guys are gonna come and meet up here, but this is our last night in Omo 5. It has been an incredible stay. Like, look at this view. I'm gonna be so sad to leave this view. Like, I don't want to leave. How could I leave? You know what I mean? So incredible. So amazing. Yes, so we're going to figure out what we're going to do next. Gonna chill for a little bit, and then we may go back out, or we'll see. So I was really craving sushi, and I forgot to mention this in my check-in earlier, but it was pretty incredible. So after a long day, I didn't even have time to eat lunch in between. I just had breakfast this morning. So I ended up going to the sushi spot across the street from the hair salon. I've been eyeing it for a while just in my research. And it was so funny because it was like 4 or almost 5, and there was nobody in the restaurant, maybe 2 other people at a table, but they sat me like right at the counter in front of 3 chefs, and I was pretty much eating by myself there in front. I know a little Japanese, so it was fine. I was able to order and whatnot, but I was basically enjoying this huge plate of sushi by myself, and I was like reacting to every piece because it was so delicious, like incredible food. I was starving, and the portion sizes were great, but there was no one to share the experience with. I was just laughing with the chef because there's this piece of unagi and I didn't know how to eat it, and I was like looking at him and he looked at me and he's like, oh, you can cut it. I was like, okay. So full though because I had a beer and I had that, and then they gave me tea after. It was just amazing. I have nothing else to say, but I did want to add that. So if you are in the Nakameguro area and you're looking for an amazing sushi spot, I will link it below. I will put the name, everything, so that you can go check it out yourself. And hopefully you get to sit at the bar because it's really fun to see them make the sushi. But that's all I'm going to say. Now I'm going to chill and wait for the guys to come back, and we'll see what we get up to tonight.
Try this one. Try Bldg.
Gabi?
Is it Gabi?
One of them is Gabi.
Wow.
Tastes like smoke. It does.
There's 3 corners.
Wait. That's mayonnaise on it.
Really?
What is this?
Elote?
Oh.
Sorry.
Not a fan.
That's gonna be yellow because it's unhealthy. That one's nasty.
Yeah.
The mayonnaise.
Yeah.
The meats are good.
This whole pizza. Except the corn mayo.
Except the corn. This one is
Whereas we'll try lemon chicken.
Favorite pizza so far?
Bldg. This one.
Yep. Yep, got our
Love
roast
all the
beef.
way,
And
folks.